Rainier should be over there on that side, but it's too foggy and oh, we can kind of see it. I think that's all I have to say. Okay, see you at the base. Woo!
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
What?
Stuck behind the Dodge.
Oh shit. We're stuck behind the fast car. Oh, it's so dark and dreary. Dark and mysterious.
It's the bottom of Mount Rainier. Now we have to climb about 4,000 feet. Driving up to Paradise. Paradise is around 5,500. We got a ways to go.
Okay.
These are all the runoffs from the glaciers.
There's a volcano?
Mount Rainier is a volcano.
Yeah, I know. I was just telling people in case they didn't know. We're taking a little pee break. John needs to go pee and I gotta go too. John, do you have the keys?
When are you gonna lock the door?
Oh.
You're in the middle of the woods.
I don't know.
Oh.
I'm gonna go pee. So we are kind of at the base. We have to walk to the visitor center, quarter mile, because the top parking lot is maxed out. And John said that he's never seen this before, but then again, he hasn't been here since before COVID. This is the life after COVID. So we're just gonna do it. See what happens. Oh, bee. That's crazy. Okay, see you later. Yeah, John mentioned years ago while we were walking in the northeast that the best trails are actually in the northwest. Yeah, this is probably the prettiest I've seen. Although I did like the Lost Coast Trail a lot. That's not the northwest. Maybe it is. Yeah, the trails here are really pretty. You can see why he likes it so much.
They're coming down from Camp Muir. They just climbed Mount Rainier early this morning. And there's Camp Muir way up there, almost 7,000 feet. The Camp Muir is 3,000 feet above this. Oh, there's a ton of people going up. You can see little dots way up the snowfield. And then you can see the ski marks down that piece of snow. So there's people going up and skiing down. Good fun.
Taking a lunch break. Today's lunch, PB&J, cherries and banana. I have a little popcorn. I don't think John's gonna eat it. John don't like popcorn. And then we have some granola bars. So I normally like to eat sandwiches with mayonnaise and lettuce and meat, but we pack PB&Js because they pack easily, they don't get squishy and soggy, and they still taste good, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is John's method for hiking.
John's lazy.
It's a good method.
Yeah, so we're gonna head down. We're gonna go over there, and you can see people on the trail. And we're just gonna follow that trail all the way down the meadow there. Not really sure where it goes. Somewhere on the other side. Then down all the way back to the parking lot. 6 miles round trip. Rub it on your neck.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Yeah, just cools you down.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, just go like this.
It's really cold. Oh, it's going down my back.
Yeah, it's good for you.
Oh.
Here. It's all yours.
That's funny. I see filming you, filming me.
Ice ball. Cool down with. Hey. Hey, you want to go in the snow? Let's do it. Okay, we're going in the snow. Come on, I want to see you get up the snow. Attempt number 2. Come on, let's see if you can do it. Oh, look at that. Good job.
That was an epic fail right away.
Yep.
Oh, whatever. Oh, I got dirt all over.
Oh, man. Now the thing is, you got water running underneath the snowbank. You definitely don't want to walk on top of that because it's a big, huge hollow space and it will collapse. Woo! Okay. Slide down. It's snow. Ah! Yeah, you could slide.
Waterfall.
Nice.
I think we're pretty close to the end of the trail. You know that we're close because the path is paved. There's a lot more people. And around this bend, we're pretty much at the parking lot. So I think what we're gonna do is load up on water and probably like take a small break. And then, oh, we just hit 6 miles. Nice. And that's it. So remember the guy that we shot earlier with the skis? There he is. He just went up and went down. No big deal. Nice. Got it. Into the trunk you go. Today's fitness, we did 1,171 calories, 231 minutes, 19,569 steps, hiked 6.59 miles. That's cool. Bye, Rainier. Today's hike was shorter than Rachel Lake. It was 11 miles and this one was 6.5 miles. This mountain is really pretty. There's a lot of valley vegetation and streams and glaciers. So yeah, it was a good hike. We got some snow. I fell once. You'll probably see that video. What's this? Whoa, what's this doing here?
Came to Fremont in 2001 to commemorate the role of Seattle and Boeing C-47 in the Berlin airlift in 1948.
Office of Metropolitan Architecture, I think. Yeah.